Tired of searching the internet for coupon codes that don't even work? What if I told you there's a tool that automatically finds the best deals and gives you cashback while shopping online? Let me introduce you to Coupert, the ultimate money-saving extension that works while you shop. Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to the channel. Teach you how to save money and earn cashback effortlessly with an amazing free tool called Coupert. I'll walk you through what it is, how it works, and even do a live demo on AliExpress, so stick around. Coupert is a free Chrome extension that automatically finds the best coupon codes at checkout and gives you cashback at over 7,000 stores, including Amazon, AliExpress, Walmart, Target, and many more. It's like having your own personal discount hunter right in your browser. Here's why Coupert is a total game changer. It automatically applies coupons when you check out. No more manual searching. It gives you cashback just for shopping at your favorite stores. It works with over 7,000 websites, from electronics to travel and fashion. It alerts you when prices drop, so you buy at the right time. And it lets you withdraw cashback directly to PayPal. Simple, fast, and secure. And yes, it's completely free to use. Let me show you how to install Coupert. It only takes a few seconds. Just go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Coupert, click Add to Chrome, then hit Add Extension, and you're done. It's now installed and ready to save you money. Now, let's see Coupert in action using AliExpress. I'm browsing for a product. I add it to the cart, and when I go to checkout, watch this. Coupert pops up, tests multiple coupon codes, and automatically applies the best one that saves me the most money. And look at this. I'm also earning cashback on this order. It's savings on top of savings, with zero extra effort. To see how much you've earned, just click on the Coupert icon in your browser, then go to the My Rewards section. You'll see all your cashback earnings right there. Once you hit the minimum, you can withdraw straight to your PayPal account. Easy and fast. So why pay full price ever again? Coupert finds working coupons, gives you cashback, and saves you money, all while you shop. It's free, it's fast, and it works with thousands of online stores. Click the link in the description to install Coupert now and start getting instant savings and cashback every time you shop. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart shopping tips, and don't forget to share this with your friends, because who doesn't love saving money?